I don't know how well the audio will be for you guys because I decided to do this while it's raining and it's peaceful outside, and I really want to record this video during this time period because it's pretty peaceful and I'm pretty sure I can knock it out pretty organic right now. And the thing what I want to show you is how to go ahead and build a site using AI, using G7 AI with a click of a button. Now, first and foremost, if your business isn't already listed on Google, I really advise you to go to Google, Google My Business, and list your business on Google. So it's a very simple process. You can go and follow the steps on that very organically. So I can say businesses. Matter of fact, let me do this. Restaurants. Oh, geez, I'm all over the place. Restaurants, right? Near me. And so, like, let's say I want to find some good food near me, and let's say Good Eat Southern Cuisine. That's right around the corner from me, and it looks like it's probably a good restaurant. I don't know, you know? But let's say I approach this restaurant and say, hey, I want to build a website for you. Apparently, they already have a website, but what I can do using the G7 platform, and also if you guys are affiliates or you're a web designer or things of that nature, you can do this as well to kind of like build a website for your clients and, you know, get the ball rolling on making some extra money. So I could take this business name and I can come over to g7.com and click on Build with G7 AI. After you do that, it's going to take you over to the AI workshop. After you do that, then what you could do is enter in the business name. Very simple. Good Eat Southern Cuisine. Then it'll pull up that business right there, just as so. Once it does that, then you click on Next Step, and you can enter the industry. For this industry, restaurant. All right. Then we click on Next Step. We can come back over here to the Google listings, and we can copy a description of the business. Then we can paste that description inside there just like that. We can also get the phone number. So copy this, paste that in there just like that. And we can also see if it has an email. There's no email on the listings, that's fine whatsoever. Then we can go ahead and click on Next Step. Okay, maybe we have a little error with the phone number here. So let's take out all the extra stuff for the phone number and click on Next Step now. There we go. So select what pages we will need: home, about us, service, reviews, and contact. So we're going to need all of these pages onto our website. Other than that, what we'll click next is Build Website. Now what's happening is the AI is actually going in, the G7 AI is going in, it's pulling the details from this website from the Google listing. And after it pulled the pictures, images, and things of that nature from the Google listings, what it's then doing is generating a website for this business live on the spot. So let's say, for instance, if a lot of people left a lot of reviews of this restaurant, but they still don't have a website, what G7 would then do is pull the reviews, pull the pictures and images, and actually place it onto a website for them. So Save Your Authentic Southern Comfort Food is now already generated. So now we have a well-rounded website for this business already. So if I wanted to reach out to this business, give them a phone call, and look, he even pulled up the location that this business is located in. If I want to pull up this business, if I want to reach out to this business, give them a phone call, I can then give the phone call and ask for the owner and say, hey, I have a brand new website for you guys to check out. I can then screenshot or create a Loom video right here and email it over to the owner and say, hey, I just generated a website for you. Also, if they wanted to make changes instantly, I can come over here and click regenerate title, text, or even the images. Other than that, I can come over and scroll through the website. I can save it, or I can go ahead and publish it with the G7 right there. So I can click on edit and publish. So after I click on this, obviously you're going to have to start your free trial so you can go ahead and publish this website, and now you can go ahead and have it listed on the internet for the users. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the future.